Today's notes are really short. I'm just going to do 3 examples with you. Our previous lesson was adding and subtracting polynomials, and now I'm going to throw in writing your answer in standard form. So with standard form, you usually do highest degree to lowest degree. And I will talk about degrees here in a second. And you also need to follow some sort of alphabetical order. But first we look at the degree, and then if there's 2 or 3 terms with the same degree, then we go alphabetical order. But let's look at number 1 here. So to find the degree, you just add up the exponents for each term. So in this case, we just have 1 exponent, so that's 2. So this has a degree of 2. This one, there's no number there, but it's really a 1. This one has the degree of 4. And this one doesn't have any exponent whatsoever, so that one's actually a 0. Okay, then we just put them in order from highest degree to lowest degree. So then I'm going to do negative 2x to the 4th minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. And sometimes I'll cross these off as I go, just so I don't forget to do one of the terms. But there's my answer. So when you do today's assignment, I expect to see most of your answers will be like this with the same variable. I expect your answers to look like that. Okay, number 2, I have 2 different variables, so keep that in mind. Here my highest degree is 5, and here's the degree of 5. This one has a degree of 3, and this one has a degree of 2. Now both of these have 5. Since they're the same, then I look at alphabetical order. V comes before W. You might need to do the alphabet real quick to double check that. But V does come before W, so I'm going to switch these 2, and then the others are in the correct order. So this will be negative 6V to the 5th plus 6W to the 5th plus 9W cubed and plus 11V squared. Okay, I know here for these 2, V comes before W, but the degree kind of overpowers that rule. Okay, so there's my answer there. And then number 3. So the degree on these are not like 1, 2, and 2. This one technically has a 1, and this Y has a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the degree for this one is 2. I have 2 plus 1, so that's 3. And here I have 1 plus 2, that is also 3. So both of these have a degree of 3. Then you need to look at alphabetical order and which one has like the highest exponent alphabetically, if that makes sense. So look at the x's here. I have an x squared and an x to the 1. This one's bigger, so this one goes first. So 3x squared y minus 16xy squared plus 2xy. That one is probably the trickiest one because you have to do the degree, then you have to go alphabetical order, then you kind of have to go back and do the highest degree of each variable. Okay? But I probably won't give you too many like that. But that is it for the notes for today, and you can go ahead and work on your assignment, and part of the grade is to put your answer into standard form.